Now we're actually going to see what the damage was and why it wasn't working.
Trying to locate the blinker fluid reservoir. Corey, did you find the blinker fluid reservoir?
No.
Why?
I checked the glove box.
You're supposed to.
I checked the glove box and I couldn't find it.
Damn.
Hey Dave.
Yeah.
Do you know where the blinker fluid reservoir is on an E93 BMW convertible?
Check in the glove box.
I did. It's not there. There's just like these little plastic thingies with metal wires in there. They look like some sort of like a fuse or relay.
There should be a quick connect adapter maybe on the headlight.
On the headlight?
Yeah. If it's not in the glove box.
Do you think it's like by the, maybe by the blinkers? I mean, it is called blinker fluid, right?
What about that?
Is that it?
What is that? I don't know.
Depends, are you doing the rear?
It goes to the front right there.
Are you doing the rear or the front?
The front.
Well then, it's in the front.
Well, obviously our blinker fluid's blue, so I mean it's probably got blue coolant that leads to the blinker fluid. It's probably integrated like all European cars do.
I think this has like some sort of a.
Maybe that's the guy that made
pump?
where your blinker
You
fluid's
think
at.
this has some sort of a pump that runs it to the blinkers to cool it down
I don't know.
while they're running?
Ask him where the blinker fluid's at.
Oh, this is Google advertisements. We don't want to talk to them.
You could have asked them where the
I could have
blinker fluid was.
Googled that. Googled that shit. GTS. Huh. Maybe this computer will tell me where it is.
Blinker fluid.
Little gnomes of doom.
Blinker fluid programming.
Yeah, I tried taking my arm out today.
What'd you do?
The Bentley,
Oh, the Bentley got you?
it got me.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's pretty deep, but it's good now.
Survived.
Yeah.
I didn't know
No, the
that.
bolts for the rear caliper is a nightmare.
Corey,
Yeah, what?
message error.
Reverse blinker fluid gear.
Front, reverse,
Yeah, I just read up on the code identifier.
module.
It's saying that the module is saying like,
Forward,
hey, I don't.
module.
Yeah, it's saying that I don't recognize that I'm going in reverse, but yet the computer says it goes reverse. The cluster says it's going in reverse. One guy was saying to just relearn, like you said, just reprogram the
It's
module.
got some sort of an alien language here.
Ah.
0x3b0.
So it's like the multiple times of refilling the blinker fluid. Yes.
Yes. Let's see.
Where's a pizza at? I'm hungry.
Starving.
Stop. Pizza. I'm gonna go cross kick him in the face, take the box, and
Okay,
then we'll pay him.
on a serious note, can you bump me up, make sure I'm at 13 volts?
Yeah, I'll give you.
Lights on so the car doesn't go to sleep.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on high. Watch the voltage. I think it'll put up to like 14.
12.5, 12.8, 13.6, 13.9. Do you think that's too much voltage for the blinker fluid? Do you think it'll spontaneously
found the problem.
combust?
I found the problem.
What is that?
It's a leaf of doom.
Oh, damn.
Wow. There, tell me you fixed it.
13.4.
Is it fluctuating on 13?
That's good.
Does blinker fluid boil?
At 15 volts.
Does it?
Yeah.
So,
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
is washer fluid the same? I mean, we could like boil some washer fluid and maybe then rename it to blinker fluid. I don't know.
In the next step, Diactyl will communicate to the blinker fluid module and work out their programmed status. Process may take a few minutes. Okay.
Dude, Merrick, shut.
What's so funny?
Devin,
There's absolutely nothing funny
sorry.
about
I was
replacing blinker fluid.
thinking about this joke I heard.
What is that? What joke is that?
I can't tell you on camera. Sorry.
Something about his little
Wow. What?
Little dingle dongler,
his little tube of blinker fluid.
My little dongle?
dongle destruction.
I see you keep trying to change that.
Destruction.
Yeah, you kept saying it
Well,
in the
I
other
do.
one.
Y'all all say doom.
Yeah.
So I mean, like death threaten.
Death
There's a lot
I
of.
got a lift.
Dude, where's that pizza? Where'd you order pizza from? Alaska?
Italy.
Oh, Italy. Oh, yes, of course.
Oh, we're getting 6-speed converted pizza.
Is FedEx dropping it off? Because I sure don't want to open it.
Wait for
was it the other day? I was over at the well, and he's like, "Hey, you want some cake?" I was like, "I lost my sweet tooth." And he was all, I was all, yeah.
Did you do this?
Oh.
How's it go again? No, there you go.
Dude, it's like loading. Okay. Were control units replaced? No. Blinker fluid wasn't even replaced.
Oh, damn.
Before starting vehicle programming, ensure that the basic requirements for error-free programming are satisfied. Is the car satisfied?
Are you satisfied?
No, it's a BMW.
I'm never satisfied.
I don't know when they're satisfied.
I'm never satisfied.
BMWs are never
See
satisfied either.
diag tool user documentation. Preparation
No.
and follow-up of vehicle programming. If control units have been replaced, select the replace control units in the dialog box displayed in the following. Alternatively, click in the control unit tree. Well, there's a tree in the control unit.
Oh, crap.
That's what that leaf
That's,
was.
that's the leaf.
Replace control units and select. That's where it is. You found the tree. All right, perfect.
All right, go here.
So the conditions have been met. There is a tree on the car.
There it is.
I'm perfectly satisfied with this. Okay, now I need to find this. Whoa, it's got an FBI module.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Flexible bus interface FBI.
Flexible bus interface.
Oh, crap.
Female body inspector.
Nice. Or they're coming for us.
From Exxon?
Oh yeah, excellent. Yeah. Oh. Ooh, maybe we went too far there.
We went too far.
You went. I went too far.
We went too far.
They pulled into Exxon.
On a public road.
I still haven't gone to Exxon since.
Oh yeah.
Went too far. Okay, footwell module 2. Was it the FRM2 or FRM?
It just said FRM and LM module.
Okay, it's good stuff picking up.
What?
Okay, that's the jump.
Stupid.
You're gonna look great in 60
Listen,
frames.
why don't we just do this? I got a perfect idea.
What?
I got a great idea.
What's it? We're all waiting.
Because it's establishing vehicle
It's
communication.
establishing the idea.
It's establishing the idea. Whoa, that's cool. That's
That's
cool.
called a light.
That's cool.
I thought that lady was coming back with her Audi A4 today.
With the Bentley?
No, why'd you tell her to come?
No, I didn't. I thought she said she was coming because she's off Tuesday and Wednesday.
No, they've just ordered the module for that thing.
Does that have trees in it too?
That
No,
one,
it's actually got rivers.
Rivers. Yeah.
It's got rivers in it?
Rivers, yeah. So if you ever buy an Audi A4 with a convertible top, the rear window on the convertible likes to open up and then like trees of doom go in there
Trees everywhere.
and water of destruction.
Corey was like, he went into the footwell yesterday, and he was like, I got to go to Academy and get myself a raft, fucking navigate.
She was all, it's been damped. I don't know why. I was like, oh, maybe the AC condensation from the drain tube was going in there, but apparently not. I open it up, it's just dumped with water. Actually, do you still have the module?
You know what sucks?
Uh-oh.
My squirrels are only half full on the computer.
Uh-oh.
One of them's on lunch break, so it's not turning the turbine.
Uh-oh.
So I need to manually inject more squirrels into the computer.
Okay, this is the comfort module that likes this.
What happened?
What?
Nothing.
No, this is a comfort module that likes to soak in water. You can see.
Oh, that's what that was.
Yeah, it controls all your external locking on the remote, interior light function, your window power, window stuff, doohickey, whatever. There we go. Now we're actually going to see what the damage was and why it wasn't working.
I've seen this, guys. Brace yourself.
Dude.
I don't think you can even open it.
Dude, I know. It's because
It's permanently cemented.
Hold on. You gotta-
It's left-hand proof.
Yeah, stupid. I just got to open this up. There it is. Now, what does happen with water in modules? Oh, there it is. Boom.
Oh,
Look at all the
damn.
little MOSFETs and everything burnt out, completely soaked in water.
Done for.
So she was like, oh, my top doesn't work, my power windows don't work. Well, what?
That's it.
That's it. I mean, I was sitting there like one box was completely warm and hot, and then this side was cold. I'm like, I think something's short circuiting. I think something's shorting. So stupid.
Programming and coding. retrofits and conversions.
6-speed conversion?
So if I click on that, will like a Ferrari F430 pop out of the computer
Will
with
you
like
have
a
a
6-speed?
will you have a manual instead of?
This is what this is.
They're so tiny.
It's such a tiny thing. Scheduled update, complete update, selective update. How about complete update? It's gonna take like 4 hours.
Really?
Yeah. I'm
Oh.
not even kidding. So. Okay.
Until next time.
Until next time. It's gonna code all of these modules.
So many modules.
So I plug this life support tube to the car.
Mhm.
So the computer told me that it's gonna automatically inject blinker fluid in through the cigarette port.
Oh. So that's where it is.
Right. That's how.
So we
that's
don't
how
have
that works. Execute measures plan. Why would it say execute measures plan?
But-
I can hear you. I'm just going outside.
Okay, nerd.
Say execute measures plan, not execute measure plan.
Measurer?
Measures.
So are you the one measuring right now?
No.
Then you're about to get executed.
Now make sure the diag tool is connected to the interwebs.
Dun dun dun.
Well, if Time Warner actually had good internet service, then
Yeah, no, this is an anti-Brando.
Anti-Brando.
By the way.
anti-brand. Downloading files. 13.36.
Oh,
13.36.
so we're not at boiling blinker fluid point yet.
Not yet.
Okay,
Not yet.
good. That's good.
It's not boiling. Oh, current progress 1%. Speed 0 kilobits per second.
Oh damn!
15 kilobits per
Still not
second.
here.
Dude, I'm telling you.
Just ordered it like 32 seconds ago.
Dave called Pizza Hut in Anchorage, Alaska.
Well, he's at Italy, so.
Or there.
But if they take as long as they take on Ferrari hoods, we're gonna be waiting.
It went
forever.
back down to 0%.
Why?
I don't know.
It boiled.
I think it's boiling. Yeah. I don't know what that means, Merrick. I do know what it means.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, unfortunately, the Time Warner internet, no anti-Brando, it's not working. So, we're stuck. We might as well just eat pizza all day today.
It's time for pizza.
Time for pizza.
No, it's not.
Checking the steering.
Oh,
He says the steering, there was no power assist.
Hey, our programmer wants to speak with you.